Hello friends, happy new year to all my friends. This is Cooking is Heavenly. This is Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. We are joined in Happy New Year. I hope you will enjoy cooking. So this is today is special day. So I will bake a special cake, and obviously there will be a salad. Like salad is fruit salad. All you have always gone through many salads in my programs with Amul. Now I will prepare one salad which is pasta salad. Children like pasta, so I will make a pasta salad. So let me start with the cake. So cake, this cake has a twist. इसमें jaggery जाएगा. Jaggery means in winter over here in Kolkata we get gur या jaggery. So Patani gur is a specialty. Like Nolan gur is a specialty of Bengal. So this jaggery is also specialty. So this is a special cake, New Year's cake, and I will use this jaggery in my cake. So firstly, you want to know always about the measurement. So come with this thing. Okay, this is my measuring cup. Whatever cup you have, you take it in accordingly. So what I have is this is I start with this. This is castor sugar or powdered sugar. This is maida, and I have taken 1.5 cup and 1 cup of sugar. Okay, 50 gram of Amul butter and Amul milk. Some fruits, obviously this jaggery. I have grated this jaggery. Look at the texture. This is the jaggery. And some fruits and some cherries for garnishing. And obviously I will use baking powder. And vanilla essence will be there. Very little drops of 2-3 drops of vanilla essence I will use. So let me mix up everything. Okay. So this is the flour, all-purpose flour or the maida. 1 cup goes and 1/2 cup. I have taken this because I always bake, and this is Cooking is Heavenly. This is where I bake, I take this measurement. If you go through my previous program on 25th, that is Christmas Day, you have seen that I have shown you the measuring cups also. So I have taken this cup, whatever cup you have, you can use. And this is the sugar, castor sugar. Firstly, I will add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I am not using any baking soda. When you are using, आप जब ये बेकिंग पाउडर लेते हैं ना, इसको अच्छी तरह मिला लीजिए. ओके. Now the sugar I am adding. Now this is 50 gram of Amul butter. This is your Amul butter. I am in the Amul platform. We all shave, join in this platform. So it's a wonderful experience with Amul. I am using Amul milk, Amul butter, Amul cream. So many things are going because this is eggless, pure eggless cake. And it will be a fruit cake. And I am using the special ingredients, that is jaggery. You're right. Welcome all, welcome my friends. This is your foodie chef Swagata, and a very happy new year to all. Very little, few drops of vanilla essence. Very few drops. I will use more milk. Now my special ingredients, that is jaggery. Firstly, I am using a fork and mixing it as you will prepare at your home, not any kitchen where you deliver food to the customer. So I am showing you, you can mix up like this. Now I will put the blender and blend it well. Look at the batter. It's so smooth and silky. Just see. Yes. Now I will blend this one. wait for me. I'm coming back. Yes, it's done. Just see. Now I will, after blending, you add the fruits. Add the fruits now. So this is my mold. I hope I'm audible, friends. Happy New Year and welcome to my show. This is Swagata, your foodie friend. This is Cooking is Heavenly. Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. And you all have joined in New Year Day. We're celebrating New Year all together. It's a wonderful experience. So now I will grease it with some oil. Actually, I have preheated my oven in 180 degree for 4 minutes. Now I will bake this cake, and before baking I will garnish it. So this is the special cake where I have used jaggery or patali gur, what we call it in Kolkata. In Bengal we call it patali. And it's worldwide known that another thing, everybody now use this jaggery. I'm just using some cherries for garnishing. Just see how it is looking. So nice. Yeah. Just see. This is looking lovely. It's not, isn't it? कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है ना, उतना ही इसका टेक्सचर है, पूरा सिल्की है ये केक। और ये बेकिंग में जाएगा अभी। जस्ट सी, दिस विल गो फॉर बेकिंग। Yeah. Now I have to keep all the thing and bring the next dish right in front of you. Let me take out all. Yes, I need a bowl. I'm bringing the bowl. And a spoon. Actually, what I am making is pasta salad. Okay, so for pasta salad, obviously I need pasta. This is penne pasta. This is boiled pasta. Yeah, it's boiled penne pasta. And now I will mix the dressing. For dressing, I need olive oil, okay. Let me check with the cake. Before doing this, I want to see how many friends have joined me. Let's check. Okay. So many friends. Hi all. This is Swagata, your foodie chef. Yeah. A very happy new year to all of you and welcome to my show. Yeah, Shapun Malik ji, Srinath Mule ji, namaste. Manjulata ji, namaste. Welcome to my show. This is your foodie chef Swagata. Actually, I have prepared a very special cake for New Year for you all. It's a fruit cake, but I've used jaggery or patali gur in it. And you know I'm from Kolkata, so we in winter we get this, and this gives a very different taste to the cake, and it's a lovely thing. So this is a special cake for you all, and it's pure eggless cake. Already in Christmas I baked one cake in front of you. It was a coffee cake, a Danish coffee cake. If you can go through, you can see that how it was done. So you're there for me, and it's a lovely experience with Amul. Ramesh Chandra Nayak ji, namaste. Dilip Thakur ji, namaste. Yeah. Bala Chandra ji, Subhadra ji, Renu ji, Neha ji, Jaswal ji, namaste. Welcome to my show. This is your foodie chef Swagata. As usual with you always, it is eggless cake. Who asked this question? Umesh Madak ji. Yeah, eggless cake. Obviously in Amul shows we do all vegetarian thing, and we use all thing which is no non-veg is used, so don't worry. Yeah. Vaibhav ji, Jyoti ji, Vijay ji, Sahil ji, namaste. Gappu Sharma ji, Dayanand ji, namaste. Vinay ji, Farha ji, Srinivas ji, Prashant ji, Tejinder ji, Shoma ji, Doyal ji, Namaste Amit Singh ji, Edumalai ji, Namaste Suchitra ji, Namaste. Yeah, this is Cooking is Heavenly. Just write Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly and join me on YouTube and in Insta, in Facebook. That is all the name is same. Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah, join me and please, please, please do subscribe. Yeah, it's all. This cake is eggless. Yeah. So don't worry, what I have used, you have seen the ingredients are told, and if you need it again, just visit my site. You just go through YouTube and just write down Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. You will get to know me, and all the friends are already have joined with me, and rest of the friends, please, please do join. Please subscribe my channel and follow me on Facebook and YouTube and Insta everywhere. So this is Sweetie ji, namaste. Ravi ji, Shekhar ji, namaste. Kavita ji, Rehan ji, Kulsum ji, Urmila ji, Aboli ji. A very happy new year to all my friends. Jarnail ji, Jarnail Singh, yeah. Chetna Goswami ji, Savita Agarwal ji, Kalpana ji, namaste. Kanzaria ji, Shankar ji, Prasanna ji, Purnima ji, namaste. Pushpinder ji, Mala ji, namaste to all, and a very, very happy new year. Yeah, I've already done one eggless cake, and Jyotirmay ji, namaste. Taufik ji, and I will do a very special salad, that is pasta salad. Children will love it, and you people also will enjoy. You prepare in this today, even you can just prepare, check it in your kitchen, you will get all the ingredients. It's very easy. Chaitali ji, Pooja ji, Kanchan ji, Sruti ji, namaste all. Bhupati ji, Manasa ji, Jhinku ji, Tanisha ji, Manik ji, Kumar, Satyam ji, Anju ji, Rupam ji, namaste. And welcome to my show, Sohil Israt ji. And please friends, one request to all. This is the third phase of COVID, so please, please take all the measurements required and use mask. Use mask and use whenever you're going out, use mask, and always talk to your doctor, your physician who is there if you feel any kind of problem, because in this pandemic situation, this is the third wave, so Omicron is there. So as a mental and health worker, I always tell you to be guarded with this disease. This disease is can be cured only with precaution. So please do use mask and use sanitizer wherever you're going. Always be protective, keep the children in protection. So this is your foodie chef Swagata, and a very, very lovely new year. And already I am baking one cake, that is eggless cake. I've used jaggery and many more ingredients, and purely it's fruit cake, eggless cake. So you check with Amul and you will get to know all my shows, all my programs and all my items. It's a lovely experience with you all. Okay, let me go to the next part. Yeah. I was just checking my cake. It's in the oven. So firstly, I will use the dressing. Okay, I will prepare the dressing. I am taking half. This is a small bowl. You can see half bowl of olive oil. This is black pepper. I will crush it. This is oregano. So in olive oil, some black pepper, some oregano, now some salt. It's according to your taste. Now some red chili flakes. Okay. This the dressing I am preparing for this pasta salad. You all know that we are connected through Amul. Amul has given this platform to the chef, and we are connected. I am connected with India and abroad. It's a very nice experience. And what to say about Amul? From childhood, we get everything like milk we use, it's from Amul. The butter we use, it's from Amul. And many more products like cream, like cheese. Today also I've used milk, I've used cream, I've used butter from Amul, and now I'm going to use this cheese. Now this is onion and this is tomato. If you want to use other vegetables like many people like bell pepper, you can use many kind of bell pepper like red, green, yellow, and some any other thing like jalapeno or any other thing. If you want to put other veggies, you can put. But I like it simple, so I have used the generally in every kitchen we can see this onion and this tomato. It's always in the kitchen. So this is always I look after this thing that the things are easily available. I use those things. This is your foodie chef Swagata. This is my really I want that people must people can prepare this thing. आप लोग अगर आपको चीज़ें नहीं मिलेगा नज़दीक में तो आप कैसे वो यूज़ करेंगे? So I really want you to prepare this food. As you follow me, I want you to just go through my programs with Amul, my sessions with Amul, and you prepare my dishes. This is my dressing now. I will put the dressing. Yeah. Now mix up all this. This see. This is boiled penne pasta I have taken, and for the dressing I have used olive oil and green chili flakes, black pepper, crushed black pepper, and oregano, and some salt. It's a truly beautiful salad. Today also you can prepare this one, and this goes very well with your dinner. Yeah. Now I will add some Amul cheese. आहा, ये तो मस्त बन रहा है. Just see. It's done. So this is your pasta salad. It's done, and the cake is baking. It's a fruit cake, and I've used it's a English fruit cake, and this is my measuring cup. I've taken 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, and another half cup of 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Yeah, and 1 cup of sugar and crushed jaggery or patali. It's a very nice gur. We say gur. I don't know in Hindi what you tell. And it's with sugar I have used that, and Amul butter, Amul milk. Butter is 50 gram of butter, half teaspoon of baking powder. I have not used any baking soda, no eggs, and vanilla essence. 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. That's all. I have mixed it up every ingredients and then blend it for some time. If you don't have a blender, you just use the fork and blend it well. You will get to see a very silky texture. So it's a lovely baking today, a New Year cake, special New Year cake for you all. And one salad, I have done this salad. This is pasta salad. So this is also, I have used some Amul product like cheese, and pasta is, I've taken boiled pasta, penne pasta. So, and for dressing I have used olive oil, yeah, and olive oil and chili, red chili flakes, some crushed black pepper, and oregano. I have mixed everything with a half teaspoon of salt in olive oil, and then for the pasta I have mixed, I have grated some onion, chopped onion, and some tomato. That's all. And then the dressing goes in, and सब एक साथ मिला दीजिए फिर उसके साथ you just put cheese. That is, I've done in front of you some grated cheese, and this is your pasta salad. And now I will find out that how the cake is going on. Yeah. नेहा जी नमस्ते, सुनीता जी नमस्ते, राजेश जी नमस्ते, डॉक्टर जशवंत सिंह जी नमस्ते. Happy New Year, and this is Swagata, your foodie chef. Yeah, from Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. Please do subscribe my channel on YouTube. Pankaj ji namaste, Joy ji, Inder ji, Karamjit ji, Sujit ji, Gita ji, Raksha Modi ji namaste, Rila ji, Davinder ji, Pooja ji, Jagadeshwaran ji, Dohil ji namaste. Welcome to my show. This is your foodie chef Swagata. This is Cooking is Heavenly. Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. Nipuna ji, Varsha ji, Kangu ji, Mala ji namaste. Rama Saigal ji namaste. Sumitra Raghavan ji namaste. Anil Yadav ji namaste. Latika ji namaste. It's happy New Year to all. Just see, my cake is done. Look at the cake. It's hot, just from the oven. Yeah, can you see? This is an eggless cake. And this is your newest special cake done by me, your foodie chef, Swagata. This is from Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah, Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly. This is the salad. Yeah, pasta salad. And this is eggless bake, and hope you will just prepare this one. Yeah, Nivedita ji, hello. Thank you. Yeah. So, it's a wonderful New Year with you all. And this is your foodie chef Swagata. And hope you have enjoyed this show. And yeah. So the cake is done. Your special New Year cake is done. This is the cake for you. and this is the salad. So, a very, very happy New Year and Merry Christmas to all my friends. This is your Chef Swagata. I'm from Kolkata, and a very and lovely New Year and a very lovely evening spent. And thank you to join my show as always. And this is bye for today. Namaste and bye. Take care.